Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking the surface and loosening the sticker's bond. Heat the edge with a hair dryer for about 20-30 seconds to soften adhesive. This makes removal safer. Once warmed, use your fingernail or a thin plastic card to lift one corner slowly so the label separates without tearing. If edge resists, reapply heat briefly and try again. This reduces residue and prevents surface damage. Make sure to keep moving heat to avoid overheating one spot. You'll now peel and follow up on any residue left behind. Pull the label back on itself at a low angle, steady and slow, keeping even tension so the adhesive releases in one piece. If it tears, reheat and repeat. For sticky residue, apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, citrus-based remover, or cooking oil. Let it sit 30-60 seconds, then rub with a soft cloth. Once clean, wipe the area with a damp microfiber to remove solvent trace. Finish by cleaning and restoring the surface so it looks like new. Wash the area with mild soap and water to remove any remaining cleaner, then dry. If the surface is painted or glossy, you may buff lightly or apply a protective wax to restore sheen. If some adhesive remains after one pass, repeat the heat plus solvent step rather than scrubbing hard, which can damage finishes. One key tip: if damage appears, stop and test a gentler solvent in an inconspicuous spot before continuing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.